Hi, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. On today's template tutorial, I want to show you how I change my plan set from 1/8 inch scale to 1/4 inch scale. Let's get started. As I said, I want to change this SD, which stands for schematic docs, plan set to 1/4 inch scale because the plan fits nicely on this 11 by 17 paper at 1/4 inch scale. I don't need to go down to 1/8 inch scale, and this text is huge. So there's two things that we need to get to quickly. One is the display options with this icon here on your toolbar, or I hit the key just above the tab key to the left of number 1. I don't know what to call that, but there you go. Pulls up display options. First of all, we need to change a couple layers text there, layer settings, I should say. Let's go to doors labels, and I'm going to change that to 1/4 inch text. I'm going to hit the W key on my keyboard to jump all the way down to the W layers, and window labels will do the same. 1/4 inch. I'm going to hit ST for stairs, and the up down arrows can change to 1/4 inch text. Oh yes, lastly, we also need room labels, room style 1/4. If you don't have room style 1/4, then it's just the room style room style by blank is the 1/4 inch scale. Hit enter. There we go. Secondly, we need to go into our annotation sets. You can find it here on this under this icon on your toolbar, or edit default settings, annotation sets. So we'll double click on that. Okay. We're in SD plan annotations, and that's fantastic. Let's change each of these to 1/4 inch. Dimensions, rich text, text, callouts, markers, and arrows. Now we're set. Anytime we pull a dimension, it's going to be at 1/4 inch scale. Anytime we write a text or draw an arrow, it'll be the appropriate size for 1/4 inch scale. Flip over to our layout, and that's the appropriate size. All right, that's that. Switching from 1/8 inch scale to 1/4 inch scale, you can switch. Another layer set that I change often would be plot plan from 10 foot, 15 foot, 20 foot, 30 foot settings. Hope that helps. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to get notification. And oh yeah, hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload these videos. Take care.